What are the notes of music? Different frequencies of sound waves cause us to hear high pitches and low pitches. When a frequency is exactly doubled, we get a perfect intonation called an octave. In between the perfect octaves are other frequencies. Western musical instruments are based on dividing the octave into 12 equal steps. Imagine a spiral staircase. Adding a 13th step, this is where the octave frequency occurs, and the spiral repeats. The same repeating 12 notes are the basis for all of the patterns that we call music theory. We can skip certain tones to create patterns called scales. The minor scale is made by skipping 5 of the 12 notes, creating small and large intervals. The small steps are called half steps, and the large steps are called whole steps. The 12 notes are named after the minor scale. The notes that are not used in the A minor scale are called sharps or flats. Rearranging the skips, we can hear a more familiar scale called the major scale. The same scale pattern can be created starting on any note, and this is called playing in different keys.